The future of jet skiing is electric. Meet the Narke GT95, a premium, all-electric personal watercraft that combines thrilling performance with clean, silent power.
Watercraft.
Unlike traditional jet skis, the GT95 produces zero direct emissions while delivering instant acceleration and an incredibly smooth ride. Its lightweight carbon composite body, modern touchscreen display, and high-capacity battery create a luxurious on-water experience. Built for both excitement and sustainability, it offers responsive handling, low maintenance, and whisper-quiet operation that lets you enjoy nature without the roar of a gasoline engine. Whether you're cruising across calm lakes or carving through open water, the Narke GT95 proves that electric technology is transforming recreational boating. It's sleek, innovative, and designed for riders who want performance without compromise. This is the next generation of water adventure.
This sailing yacht flies across the ocean. The Gunboat 68 is a high-performance luxury catamaran built for sailors who demand both speed and comfort. Its lightweight carbon fiber construction and advanced twin hull design allow it to sail faster and more efficiently than many traditional yachts. With spacious living areas, panoramic views, and premium finishes, it delivers the comfort of a luxury home while crossing the open sea. Engineered for long-distance cruising, the Gunboat 68 combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional stability and precise handling. Whether you're racing with the wind or exploring remote islands, this yacht offers an unforgettable experience on the water. Fast, elegant, and incredibly capable, the Gunboat 68 proves that modern sailing can deliver world-class performance without sacrificing luxury. This is ocean adventure at its finest.
One vehicle, land and water, no limits. The Connor K3 Amphibio is an innovative amphibious vehicle designed to transition effortlessly from roads to rivers without stopping. Combining the convenience of a car with the freedom of a boat, it delivers a unique driving experience for adventure seekers and professionals alike. Its lightweight yet durable construction, reliable engine, and advanced amphibious system allows smooth movement across both land and water. Whether exploring scenic coastlines, crossing lakes, or accessing remote areas, the K3 Amphibio adapts to changing environments with ease. Built for versatility, safety, and efficiency, it eliminates the need for separate vehicles during your journey. The Connor K3 Amphibio isn't just transportation, it's a glimpse into the future of mobility, where every shoreline becomes the beginning of a new adventure.
What if your next boat could literally fly above the water? Meet the Valo Hyperfoil, a futuristic water machine that combines electric power with hydrofoil technology for an incredibly smooth ride. As it gains speed, underwater foils lift the hull above the waves, reducing drag and delivering faster, quieter, and more efficient performance. Its electric propulsion system produces zero direct emissions while offering instant acceleration and an exciting riding experience. Its advanced stabilization technology keeps the ride comfortable even in choppy water, making every journey feel effortless. Designed with innovation, efficiency, and premium performance in mind, the Valo Hyperfoil represents the next generation of personal water transport. It's not just another watercraft, it's a glimpse into the future of clean, high-performance boating. Would you take this incredible ride? This machine glides where boats can't. The Griffin Hoverwork 12TD is a powerful hovercraft built to conquer water, mud, ice, sand, and even marshland without slowing down. Unlike traditional boats, it rides on a cushion of air, allowing it to travel over almost any flat surface with incredible stability. Designed for rescue teams, military missions, patrol operations, and commercial transport, this hovercraft delivers impressive performance in the toughest environments. Its rugged construction, reliable diesel engine, and spacious cabin make it ready for serious work while maintaining smooth, efficient travel. Whether crossing flooded terrain or reaching remote locations, the Griffin Hoverwork 12TD proves that innovation can go where ordinary vehicles simply can't. This isn't just another water vehicle, it's a next-level machine built to handle the impossible.